Hi guys, and today we're going to make chocolate cake using a frying pan, no oven needed, in simple as easy. Let's get started. So first you have to take the cream off the biscuits. Now we have put the biscuits in a zipline bag and we are going to crush them into powder shea. Yes, the powder is ready. Now we are going to pour warm milk into the chocolate powder and now we are going to whisk it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and whisk again. Our chocolate mixture is ready. And now we are going to put oil on the frying pan and leave it over the cooker. Pour the mixture in the frying pan. Now you have to shake it on the frying pan. Now we put the lid on and leave it on low flame for 10 minutes. While the cake is getting ready, we are going to make the pastry dressing using the cream we took off the biscuits. First, you pour hot milk into the cream and then we whisk it. Now we're gonna see if the cake is ready by using a toothpick. As you can see guys, the cake is ready and we are gonna dress it. Now we cut the sides off and make it into any shape we like. Now we are going to dress the cake using an icing tool. Now we are covering the pastry with our cream mixture. As you can see guys, our cake is ready. For the final touches, we added some strawberries. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!